Delaware is cracking down on people coming from out of state during the coronavirus outbreak. Police are writing tickets and targeting a popular liquor store on the Pennsylvania border. Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Lands is in Claymont with the details there. Shantae.
Delaware State Police are on the side of this road questioning drivers, stopping them specifically if they do not have a Delaware tag. Now, if you think you're going to come from out of state to shop here, police and the governor said, think again. You might get pulled over by police, as you see right here. Governor John Carney has said it, and now Delaware State Police are enforcing it. They say now is not the time to visit Delaware. State Police stationed at this Total Wine here on Nauman's Road in Claymont, Newcastle County. Police are pulling over vehicles with out-of-state license plates. This all comes after Governor John Carney issued an order earlier this week for all out-of-state travelers coming into Delaware to self-quarantine for 14 days to stop the spread of COVID-19. And that order has now given police the authority to pull over a driver for simply having an out-of-state plate. So once pulled over, what happens next? The officer will ask questions about your travel, and then you'll be told to self-quarantine for 2 weeks while in Delaware or immediately return to your home state. We talked with one Delaware resident about the changes.
If it's to keep everybody safe from Pennsylvania, Delaware, Jersey, because I know they're getting hit hard with this whole coronavirus going on. So I think it's great that they're enforcing the social distancing and just trying to keep everybody safe.
And there are exceptions to these travel restrictions. The order does not apply to out-of-state drivers on I-95, I-295, or I-495. And out-of-state drivers are allowed to pass through Delaware while traveling to another state. The order also does not apply to employees traveling into Delaware for essential business. It does not apply to people caring for a family member in Delaware or to people traveling in-state for other healthcare reasons, like going to a pharmacy. Now, police have been directed to focus on non-interstate roads that are seeing a large volume of out-of-state travelers, like the one you see here. Police have been out here for hours. They plan to remain here for a little while, again, checking the vehicles. They also mentioned to me that this is not about punishing. This is more about educating the public and letting them know what the governor prefers. Reporting live in Delaware, Shantae Lands, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Shantae, thank you.